Not coincidence, the 2023 Honda Accord will be right around the corner from the 2022 Toyota Camry's replacement. Common responses to the announcement of a new Camry model include yawning and disinterest. After all, the Toyota has always been the basic, reliable go-to among midsize sedans, a segment known for being very stuffy and functional. We expect this trend to continue through the next generation Camry, which is expected in 2024 or 2025. The current Camry is the most daringly styled and sportily tuned of the kind. Let's examine the market sector that will have the most influence on the next Camry in order to get a sense of what to expect from it. The popularity of sedans and vehicles in general is rapidly declining in favor of trucks and SUVs. From the Ford Fusion to the Mazda 6, many midsize sedan mainstays have already died out, and others are on the verge of disappearing. But take a look at the Hyundai Sonata, Kia K5, formerly Optima, Nissan Altima, and Honda Accord, four sedans that have managed to stay competitive. In an effort to maintain interest from purchasers, manufacturers of four-door vehicles have shifted to bolder, more brash designs and sportier interiors. After all, it's safe to suppose that people who prefer to buy cars over SUVs and trucks do so in part because they seek a more traditional vehicle experience. Expressions of desire are communicated to onlookers by styling that is low, wide, and decidedly un-SUV. Prepare for the Camry to get crazier in this furnace of form and performance, smashing the kind of staid function midsize sedans once thrived on. Many significant improvements have been made to Toyota's in-car technology suite since the 2018 debut of the new Camry. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included in the newest Toyota Audio multimedia interface and accompanying touchscreens, along with simplified, but still not totally intuitive, menus. We anticipate that both the 8.0 and 12.3-inch versions would be featured on the next-gen Camry, with the former catering to more affordable trim levels and the latter gracing the more expensive ones.